Good morning, dear students. Today topic is adiabatic process. If a system is insulated, from the surroundings, no heat flows between the system and surroundings. The system and surroundings. And the process is called adiabatic process. In which process heat does not flow between the system and surroundings. So that process is known as adiabatic process. For examples, when a cycle tube suddenly burst, a second one is when a sound wave passes through air. In these examples, does not flow between system and surroundings. So this type of process is known as adiabatic process. Expression for work done by ideal gas in adiabatic process. We know during adiabatic process, ideal gas obey the relation that is P V to the power of gamma is equal constant. Let us take this is 1A equation, or it can be written as P1 V1 to the power of gamma is equal P2 V to the power of gamma is equal constant. Let us take this is 1B equation. Work done in adiabatic process change of an ideal gas from the state P1 V1 T1 to the state P2 V2 T2 is W is equal integration of V1 to V2 P dV. Let us take this is second equation. From equation 1 we can write P is equal, so here equation 1 is P V2 of gamma is equal constant. So from this P is equal constant by V2 of gamma. So here P is equal constant by V2 of gamma. So substitute this value in this equation. So substitute this value in equation 2. That is W is equal integration V1 to V2. Here P is equal constant by V2 of gamma. That is constant by V2 of gamma into here it is dV. So here it is a constant value, take outside. So that is constant integration of V1 to V2. Here it is 1 by V2 of gamma. Take numerator. So that is V2 of minus gamma into dV. We know integration of x2 of n dx is equal x2 of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So that is here it is constant. So here integration of V2 of minus gamma into dV. So that is we can get V2 of minus gamma plus 1 by minus gamma plus 1. So here lower limit is V1, upper limit is V2. So first substitute upper limit, then lower limit. So here it is a constant minus gamma plus 1. So take outside. So that is constant by 1 minus gamma. So here substitute upper value minus lower value. That is V2 to the power of minus gamma plus 1 minus V1 to the power of minus gamma plus 1. So that is take constant inside. So that is we can write 1 by 1 minus gamma into here constant into V to the power of 1 minus gamma minus constant into V1 to the power of 1 minus gamma. But we know P1 V1 to the power of gamma is equal to constant, or P1 V1 to the power of gamma is equal P2 V2 to the power of gamma is equal to constant. So here we can write constant is equal to P1 V1 to the power of gamma, that is equal 1 by 1 minus gamma is equal, here constant is equal to how we can write P2 V2 to the power of gamma. So that is P2 V2 to the power of gamma into V2 to the power of 1 minus gamma minus here constant is equal to how we can write constant is equal to P1 V1 to the power of gamma, that is P1 V1 to the power of gamma into V1 to the power of 1 minus gamma. So finally 1 by 1 minus gamma. So here P2, here V2 to the power of gamma plus 1 minus gamma, gamma cancel. Finally we can get P2 V2 minus P1 here V1 to the power of gamma into V1 to the power of 1 minus gamma. Gamma minus gamma plus gamma cancel. Finally, we can get P1 V1. So, finally, it is W is equal. So, we know from for ideal gas PV is equal mu RT. So, that is here P2 V2 is equal, how we can write? P2 V2 is equal mu RT2. So, that is equal work done in adiabatic process W is equal 1 by 1 minus gamma. Here P2 V2 is equal mu R T2. That is mu R T2 minus mu R T1. So therefore we can write W is equal mu R by 1 minus gamma T2 minus T1. Here take mu R common. So that is mu R T2 minus T1. So therefore W is equal mu R by 1 minus gamma T2 minus T1. This is work done by an ideal gas in adiabatic process. That is W is equal mu R by 1 minus gamma T2 minus T1. See first one. During adiabatic expansion, work is done by the gas. So in adiabatic expansion, work is done by the gas. That is, work done by the gas is positive. So that is W is greater than 0. We know in adiabatic process, work done W is equal mu R by gamma minus 1 into T1 minus T2. That is, here T1 minus T2 is greater than 0. So from this we can write T1 greater than T2. So that is here final temperature of the system is less than initial temperature of the system. So that is T2 is less than T1. So here the system, that is the gas, cools down. See second one. During adiabatic compression, work is done on the gas. We know work is done on the gas is negative. Work done by the gas is positive. Work done on the gas is negative. That is W is less than 0. We know work done in adiabatic process W is equal mu R by gamma minus 1 T1 minus T2. So that is T1 minus T2 is less than 0. So from this we can write T1 less than T2. So here T2 is greater than T1. So that is final temperature of the system is greater than initial temperature of the system. So that is the gas heats up. Next one is isochoric process. In this process, volume is constant, so that change in volume is 0. Volume is constant. So in isochoric process, volume is constant. So that change in volume is 0. Del V is 0. So work done, del W is equal, we know P into del V. Here del V is 0. So P into 0 is 0. So work done on the gas is 0 or work done by the gas is 0. So no work is done on the gas or no work is done by the gas. By first law of thermodynamics, that is, we know del Q is equal del U plus del W. Here del W is equal 0, that is del U plus 0. So therefore del Q is equal del U. So here heat absorbed by the gas goes entirely to change its internal energy or temperature. So here heat absorbed by the gas goes entirely to change its internal energy or temperature. For given amount of heat energy del Q, here internal energy or temperature depends on specific heat capacity of gas at constant volume, because we know Cv is equal 1 by mu del Q by del T at constant value. So for given amount of heat energy, that is del Q, here del U or del T depends on specific heat capacity of gas at constant value, because we know Cv is equal 1 by mu del Q by del T at constant value. Next one is isobaric process. In this process, pressure is constant. That is, in isobaric process, pressure is constant. We know work done del W is equal P into del V. Here del V, that is change in volume, can be written as V2 minus V1. Let us take, this is first equation. But we know ideal gas equation. So that is PV is equal mu RT. Here mu is number of moles, R is Rydberg constant. So these are constants. So for volume V2, we can write here pressure is, in isobaric process, pressure is also constant. So for volume V2, this equation can be written as PV2 is equal mu R T2. For volume V1, this equation can be written as PV1 is equal mu R T1. So if we subtract PV2 minus PV1. So that is PV2 minus PV1 is equal. So here mu r T2 minus mu r T1. Take P common, that is P into V2 minus V1 is equal. So here take mu r common, that is mu r into T2 minus T1. From equation 1, so here we can write, here from equation 1 is what? Del W is equal P into V2 minus V1. So here P into V2 minus V1 is equal to, how we can write? So that is del W is equal P into V2 minus V1 is equal, here P into V2 minus V1 is equal mu r T2 minus T1 by first law of thermodynamics. We can write del Q is equal del U plus del W. So that is, therefore del Q is equal, how we can write? Del U plus, here del W is equal to what? Mu r into T2 minus T1. So heat absorbed by the gas goes partly to increase its internal energy, that is del U, and partly to do work. Heat absorbed by the gas goes partly to increase its internal energy and partly to do work. For given amount of heat energy del Q, here internal energy or temperature depends on specific heat of gas at constant pressure, because we know Cp is equal to 1 by mu del Q by del T at constant pressure. For given del Q, here del U internal energy or del T temperature depends on specific heat capacity of gas at constant pressure. Because we know Cp is equal 1 by mu del Q by del T at constant pressure.